Poland and parts of Russia, captured civilians were forced to work as slave laborers. Means they could not. Means they were when Germany was extending its boundary towards eastward. So first target was Poland, and further he again moved towards the eastward, and some parts of Russia he captured, and the civilians who were snatched from those areas, they were forced to work as a slave laborer in Germany or for the Nordic Aryans. Now, what policy did actually he adopted against Jews? Jews actually were considered the most targeted race under Nazi ideology. Why and how they were punished? Okay, so Jews remained the worst sufferers in Nazi Germany. Nazi hatred of Jews had a persecutor in the traditional Christian hostility towards Jews. Actually, the Jews were stereotyped as killers of Christ, Jesus Christ, and usurers. Usurers, actually, they were earlier in earlier societies. The Jews were the moneylenders, and and they were charging the excessive interest. It was the blame. It was a blame set by the Germans to spread mm, hatred against Jews. Okay, means it is said that they are the killers of Jesus Christ, and they were the usurers, those who were charging high interest on money lending. So that is why they became the easily target of Jews. Okay, easily targets of Germans. Okay, and they were considered undesirable. They were considered racial inferiors, and they were punished in many ways. Uh, they survived mainly through trade and money lending. They lived in separately marked areas called ghettos, means they did not have the right to live in common places where the other Germans were living. Uh, an area was marked in the society for them. This marked area was known as ghettos. They were often persecuted through periodic organized violence and expulsion from the land. There were the two methods were adopted against them. One was periodic organized violence, means periodically there was a violence or the murder of the Jews were organized by the Aryan race or the Nazis, and second was expulsion from their land. Expulsion means to remove them from their land. They were forced to leave their land. However, Hitler's this hatred of Jews was based on pseudo-scientific theories of race. So, what was the pseudo-scientific theory of race? According to this, that conversion was no solution to the Jewish problems. It could be solved only through their total elimination. Pseudo scientific theories says that to convert Jews in Aryan race, it was not the solution of this problem. Jews, all the Jews people have to uh, uh, means this problem of Jews can be solved through their elimination. Elimination means to kill all the Jews. Okay, means anyhow they did not have any right to survive either through concentration camps, physical or mental tortures. They would die, or any other kind of by sending them into gas chambers, or many other steps were taken to kill them. Means total elimination is required to solve the problem of Jews and to uh, and to punish Jews because they were considered the killers of Jesus Christ and usurers. Okay, from 1993 to 1938, 33 to 38, the Nazis terrorized, pauperized, and segregated Jews. they adopted three policies: terrorized, created terror, okay, threatened all the Jewish people; pauperized, pauperized means to reduce them to the poverty, means उनको इतना कमज़ोर कर दिया, फाइनेंशियली उनको इतना वीक कर दिया कि they became the poorest race of the society. And the third was segregation, segregation of Jews from other race of humans, compelling them to leave the country. And they were compelled means forced to leave the country. Then after the next phase, from 1939 to 1995, aimed at concentrating them in certain areas. There were the two phases. In two phases, the Jews were eliminated. One phase was in between 1933 to 1938. The another phase was started from 1939 to 1945. During this was a Second World War time, and this time all the Jews were sent to the certain areas and eventually killing them